Hello everyone. In today's video, I am going to review VEVOR Angle Grinder. VEVOR offers a range of bench grinders suitable for various tasks, from light sharpening to heavy-duty grinding. Grinders by VEVOR are built to last and perform. Its grinders are perfect for both home and commercial use. They are made of high-quality stainless steel. They offer fast and efficient grinding. The swing-type grinder allows easy pouring. The high-speed motor ensures superfine powder in seconds. Safety features include automatic stop when the lid is open. You can scroll down through its website to see the offered products. It offers an electric grain mill grinder, a meat grinder, a bench grinder stand, and an electric concrete floor grinder. It also has an angle grinder, a soybean grinder, a belt grinder, a wet sharpening system, and many more. The VEVOR Angle Grinder is a 5-inch electric power tool with 10 mps and a high speed of 10,000 RPM. It is available for $36.99, while the disc is not included. You can choose its size from 7, 4.5, or 5 inches. This electric grinder power tool comes with a 230-degree adjustable guard that effectively blocks debris and particles during operation, preventing them from flying out and causing potential injury. It is compatible with 4.5-inch discs. This multifunctional angle grinder handles a wide range of tasks. Whether you are grinding metal, cutting stone or tile, polishing wood, or removing rust, it delivers the power and efficiency you need. With a compact size and lightweight body at just 4.4 pounds. This handheld angle grinder offers a comfortable rubber grip that reduces user fatigue during extended use, ensuring better control and operational efficiency. The safety trigger switch ensures safer use. Two-position side handle adds stability and control for both left and right-handed users. The 2-meter-long power cord offers a more flexible working experience. That is it. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to like and subscribe for more videos.